Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of this video is that how you can use DeepSeek AI for summarizing the research. So this video is going to be about the DeepSeek AI. So let's go. First of all, search for the DeepSeek AI on the Google, and on the Google you will get this chat.deepseek.com. So open this website. A chat box will open in front of you after logging in with your Google account. So I'm going to log in with my Google account first. Here will be a verifying you are a human security check. So we have successfully passed the security check. Now we will log into with our account with the help of Gmail account. So I'll select my account and click continue. So that's how my account will be logged in into the DeepSeek AI. So here you can summarize the research of any article you want. Let's suppose we go into the Google and search for marine life research. Okay, so it will provide us with an article. Also write article. So there are lots of articles. Let's check for this article. We will just copy the link of this article and we'll go to the DeepSeek AI and we'll post the link here and we'll write give me summary of this research article, and then I will hit the enter button and it will start analysis of this article, and it will provide us the summary. So here's the summary of the key finding from the Ocean State Report 9 OSR 9, which covers data primarily from 2023. So this is the summary key finding and highlights of this article, and it's still in the progress, and it just gives us more information in detail and giving us the summary of this article. So that's how you can get the summary of any research article. You can also upload your article from this pin button and select the file, docs file or the PDF file of your document, and it will provide you the summary of that article. So that's all about DeepSeek AI and its use about summary of the research articles. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.